If you think that being nice to a woman or doing her a favor will make her attracted to you, you're living in an illusion. She might feel comfortable talking to you, but she will never compare you to a man who behaves differently. In this video, I'll talk about that man, the one who uses some unusual tricks to impress the woman he likes. These tricks may seem unconventional at first, but trust me, they work. By the end of this video, you'll thank me for these few minutes of your life. I will explain 5 strange masculine tricks to impress the girl you like. One, be dangerous. In today's world, nice guys are often perceived as weak and shy simply because they avoid trouble. People misunderstand them. That's why you need to be dangerous. And by dangerous, I don't mean harming people or engaging in destructive behavior. I mean being capable of defending yourself confidently when faced with a threat or a bully. But how does being dangerous attract women? It's simple psychology. Women are naturally drawn to men who can protect them from danger. They want to feel safe with their man. If you're too nice, they won't take you seriously or feel secure around you. But if you are strong enough to assure her protection, she won't just feel safe, she'll be proud to be with you. And remember, a strong body must be matched by a strong personality. 2. Talk to other women. This trick isn't for married men or those in long-term relationships, but if you're single or in the early stages of dating, talking to other women can work in your favor. Women naturally compete for attention. When they see you interacting with other females, it signals that you are socially desirable. This subconscious competition makes her more interested in you. 3. Let her impress you. Most men try too hard to impress women, but the key is to let her work for your approval. For example, if she's excited about her recent trip to Paris, instead of just agreeing and praising her experience, ask deeper questions. This will make her even more eager to impress you with her stories. When you acknowledge her passion sincerely, she'll appreciate and admire you for it. 4. Use the testing factor to your advantage. Women often test men to see how confident they are. They might tease you about your fashion sense or your looks just to see your reaction. Most guys panic or become insecure, which instantly makes them less attractive. Instead, show confidence. Smile, stay unaffected, and act as if their words don't bother you. When you demonstrate self-assurance, she will be drawn to you even more. 5. Flirt with her. High-value men know that flirting is the language of attraction. Women enjoy the emotional excitement that comes with playful and charming words. If done right, flirting creates tension and intrigue. However, there's a fine line between playful flirting and inappropriate comments. Pay attention to her reactions. If she responds positively, keep going. If she seems uncomfortable, adjust your approach. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.